Hello, and welcome to our video where we are going to explore how our MinFare pricing is applied to a trip. Let's start by understanding what the MinFare is. The term MinFare typically refers to the minimum fare charged for a taxi ride or transportation service. In the context of TaxiFlow, the minimum fare serves several purposes and is an integral part of the overall pricing structure. The MinFare ensures the viability of the service by handling short distances effectively and considering time and resource allocation. In essence, it guarantees that a minimum amount is collected from the customer for the trip. For instance, if the pricing for a 2-kilometer distance is set to 20 and the admin sets the MinFare at 40, then for a user who wants to go 3 kilometers, the price applied would be 35 and the MinFare would be applicable for their trip. Now, let's delve into exploring our MinFare trip. Click on the plus button to begin. Add the pickup address and destination address. You can also set the trip locations using a map pin. Then, click Continue to proceed with the trip. Here, you can see the estimated price, which includes the base fare, distance fare, time fare, maximum space, cancellation fee, and tax. Additionally, the pickup address, destination address, time, and distance are included. The displayed price represents the minimum fare for the trip. As we continue exploring our MinFare trip, you'll see how the price is applied based on our specific type, which admin can set for a particular city. So if you're interested in a MinFare trip, keep watching to see how the prices are calculated and applied. Click on the Right Now button. If you prefer a fixed rate, select Yes. The driver will proceed to accept our trip request. Users will be notified that the driver has accepted the trip. Next, we'll initiate the process to start the trip. The driver is en route to your location, and we can notify the user through the app. Upon the driver's arrival at your location, we'll tap Arrived. Now the driver is at the location, and we are ready to start the trip. As you can see, the trip has started, which is reflected in both the user and driver apps. When the trip concludes, you can apply the end-of-trip actions. If the driver paid any toll amount, please add it here. If not, click on the Cancel button. Then, you can view the invoice, which includes the minimum fare. This comprises the base fare, tax, miscellaneous fee, and city tax. Similarly, in the driver's app, information about the MIN fare, including base fare, taxes, and other fees, is visible. We can also see specifics like the driver's miscellaneous fee and city tax. Finally, payment can be made either by cash or card. Just click on the button to submit the invoice. Give a rating to the driver, and the driver must also provide a rating to the user. After that, submit the details of our trip. Complete the process by submitting the ratings and thus concluding our journey. So, this is the workflow for a MinFare trip on our platform. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you now understand when to apply the main fare and where you can see the main fare charge reflected in your invoice. Thank you again for watching.